Today I will explain freezing point, solution, and sources of water. So first of all, what I told means freezing. Freezing means the change of state from liquid to solid. Liquid to solid. Take a beaker and pour into some water. These water are keep into the deep freeze. After some time, you will observe. What I observe, the liquid will be converted into solid. The liquid converted into solid. So the change of state from liquid to solid. Change of state from liquid to solid is called freezing or solidification. What is that one?
Solidification.
That means the state convert into liquid to solid. Again, it is also called the reverse process. That means the entire solid convert into liquid by melting process. By melting process. Take and beaker and take some ice cubes. And again, we apply the heating process by using a pencil. After some time, the ice cubes are melted, converted into water. So, and the second condition is solution. What is the meaning of solution? The combination of solute and solid. The combination of solute and solid. For example, take water and salt. Take water and salt. Both are mixed very well. After some time, both are dissolved completely. We can form a solution that is called the salt solution. Here, water and salt both are two components. Higher quantity is called water, lesser quantity is called salt. So both are mixed very well. They can form a salt solution. And again, I will explain our sources of water. How many types of water will be source in nature? There are only two types. First one means surface water, and second one means underground water. How many types? Two types. What are they? Surface water, underground water. So surface water means it is only to available onto the at the surface onto the at the భూమి ఉపరితలం means లభించే వాటర్ మనం ఏమంటాం surface water. Here it is available in three types. How many types? Three types. First one sea water, second one river water, lake water, third one rain water. Third one rain water. So surface water will be surface water means it is available only on the surface of the earth. It is available in three types. First one sea water, second one river water, third one rain water. Here this is called the entire process of how water convert into three stages. Here this is called liquid freezing means solid sublimation means gas condensation means liquid. So liquid convert into solid means freezing. Solid convert into gas means sublimation. Okay, the object convert into solid to gas, not into liquid. This is called sublimation. Again, gas convert into liquid. That means the phase convert into gas to liquid is called condensation. Gas to liquid is called condensation. And again, here also evaporation is there. What is the meaning of evaporation? The means the phase change from liquid to gas. The phase change from liquid to gas is called evaporation. And evaporation is a cooling process. The process convert into liquid to gas. This is called evaporation. Evaporation is a cooling process. I understand.
Yes, sir.